Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView indicators within Zerodha. Zerodha seamlessly integrates TradingView charts, providing direct access to a wide array of technical indicators. This means you don't need a separate TradingView account or subscription to leverage these powerful analytical tools. You can start applying indicators right away to enhance your market analysis. Adding an indicator is straightforward. Simply locate and click the indicator's icon, which looks like a small FX symbol on your chart's toolbar. A search bar will appear. Type the name of the indicator you wish to use, like moving average or RSI. Then, select it from the results to instantly apply it to your chart. Once an indicator is on your chart, you can easily customize its settings. Hover your mouse over the indicator's name, usually found at the top left of the chart, and a small gear icon will appear. Click this icon to open the settings panel. Here, you can adjust parameters such as the period, source, or even change the color and line style to suit your preferences. Managing your indicators is simple. To remove an indicator, just click the X icon next to its name on the chart. Remember, you can apply several indicators at once to create a comprehensive analysis. For convenience, save your preferred chart layouts, including all applied indicators, so you can quickly load them for future trading sessions without reconfiguring everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.